Welcome back to this week's episode. We made it to our first national park of the series, the Everglades National Park. But first, we had to go over to the visitor center to see what we're getting ourselves into. Gonna find out it's over 1.5 million acres and like nine different habitats and over 360 different type of bird species. And it's the only place in the world where alligators and crocodiles coexist. So that was some pretty cool facts or whatever. Now I'm heading to my campsite. You do have to pay to get in here. They do offer some discounts for military and stuff. Yeah, just go through this little gate. And yeah, this specific park is Flamingo, which is at the very southern end of the Everglades. So it's me just setting up the tent and stuff. The Flamingo is a contractor company, so it's not run directly by the park or nothing like that. But yeah, I'll be here for like 3 days, and yeah, I plan on just seeing what I could see. I'm glad it was raining the first day, but eventually got tent set up. Come on. Nice. So trying to put her leash into the ground, I end up bending one of the little stakes. But yeah, I'm gonna pack my tent up. Well, not pack it up, but take everything out from my car and put it on the tent. In the tent? Yeah, in the tent. My bed, her bed, get my sleeping bag. Gotta get the bug spray because it may be raining still, but in Florida, them mosquitoes still be out. And my little fishing pole. I wanted to do some fishing, but if you're from out of state, you can't buy the fishing license while you're there. So you pick one up at Walmart or the tax collector's office before you get there. I found that out the hard way, so I didn't get to do any fishing. It's a convenient little chair. Yeah, wet dog. So time to make the food for the next 3 days. Starting off, I had to put the sweet potato on the fire for the dog later. Just chopping up some garlic, onion, peppers. Yo, don't judge my knife skills. Alright, so my first meal, making a Cuban ropa vieja over rice. And I'm making some macaroni noodles with some bolognese sauce. So basically like spaghetti without the spaghetti noodles. I decided to cook both meals like the first day because I could just come back whenever I'm there and warm it up. Don't have to worry about making a whole meal whenever I'm hungry. So I got the ropa vieja in the pressure cooker, and I'm starting on this sauce for the spaghetti. And yeah, love using a knife for the can opener because you need a can opener for it. But and the wok, I had to use a wok because that's like the biggest pot I had, and the other one had rice in it still. So I got done cooking and I went to take some pictures, and yeah, feel free to pause. First full day out in the Everglades. It's pretty chill. The dog with me. So tired out now. Not a very dog friendly park, but yeah, here we are. Signing off. Good night. Yeah, it was day 3. I went on a back country boat tour today. Saw a crocodile and some birds. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much else. It's still windy. But yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.